There are more leukocytes in the blood of people who have eaten food from the microwave. That is what Dr. Hettel said. And he did a few scientific surveys excuse me, to microwave food and how it reacts in the body. So all the industries didn't check what's happening in the body when you eat microwave food, but this researcher did, and he concluded very bad things about the microwave. After this, he was put in jail. So that made a lot of other scientists scared to do real research to this. So he was freed by the European Commission of Human Rights. So they set him free. He was in Switzerland in a prison because he did research, and the conclusions were not were not on the same line as the industrial did. So microwave food is actually very bad food, but there has practically been no research to this. But there are many signs that's very bad, because for instance there was a ban on microwave in the Soviet Union in 1976, and they say, the scientists over there said, it takes away the life energy of food. So there was a ban on this, and the ban was taken down by Gorbachev, and he invited all the industry in Russia to sell all these products, also the microwave products. Also we have to maybe say, so the industry does research to its own fabrications and concludes these are safe. Well, all these industry research we can throw away, because you cannot research the thing you make yourself. It has to be done by an independent company. But we live in a world where it's not necessary to have this independent research institutions, and these are causing major medical problems for people. So that's why it's really a good idea for scientists to start doing real research and not be afraid to get in jail for this, because it's the truth actually. So the microwave was an invention of Nazi Germany, and I don't really like to mention all this Nazi stuff and so on. It gives very bad image and ideas and so on, but they used the microwave in the war against Russia, and they lost this battle for Russia and for St. Petersburg, and after this the German army stopped using the microwave. So that's maybe a sign that is really bad. So it was invented and then it was eliminated from the program. Also it is illegal to heat up baby milk in the microwave, and the official reason is that it heats unevenly. That's the strangest thing, because all the industry says microwave food is heated evenly. Inside, outside of the food is heated in the same amount of time, except for milk, which is actually very crazy. So, but when mothers give baby milk to their babies after it has been in the microwave, there's a huge risk the baby dies. So therefore it's illegal. So many babies have died, in the beginning babies died from this, and that's why it's illegal now. And the reasoning that it's heated uneven, so it causes burns inside, is kind of silly. So what's happening is with microwave food, so every atom turns around, every molecule is also a system of atoms that are turning around each other, and microwaving means 60 times a minute the rotation is changed from left to right to left to right 60 times a minute, and that's what heating the food But actually also from quantum mechanics we know that this rotation of atoms is also deciding what the property of the atoms. So we are changing the value of the atoms, we are changing the properties, and for instance vitamin C is not vitamin C anymore when you turn it around at atomic level. That's what's happening, and that is maybe very common sense that scientists should research this, and also how do we assimilate microwave food in our body, so we can measure the amounts of leukocytes, we can measure the amount of inflammation, but scientists do not do that. So there's a huge lack of research, and this danger of going into prison for doing research is weighing heavily on the microwave science. So now many people die from bad food because it has been in the microwave through lack of research, and this should change immediately. And these kind of stories you read in the VeggieTales, and that's the magazine about medicinal food. So how you can cure like any disease with medicinal food. That's what's in the magazine, and it also says what you should not do if you want to cure. So never in any cure you should use the microwave. Thank you for watching and listening, subscribe and sharing.